misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. What's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C. And today, I am going to be doing an unboxing review. I don't know. I never did these, so let's see how they go. But first, I'm going to oil the scalp, so let's get straight to the video. Yeah, guys. I ordered me some, if you know me, you know I had some regular Gens AirPods some years back. Well, I got them probably a year ago, maybe two. When I was in the Army, I got my first pair. So, y'all, I'm convinced my god baby stole them. Because he the last person I seen in a picture with him. He's the last person I seen in a picture with him. And this right here, y'all, this right here is made by my hair lady. I don't know what's in it, so don't ask me. I just know it makes my hair feel good. It just makes my hair feel good, y'all. I always had them on. Nobody could touch my AirPods. Nobody. Nobody could hear me. I can't hear nobody with my AirPods. But then I lost them, and I was sad, devastated. And then, what else happened? I mean, I ended up getting Beats. Well, my mom has some Beats, so I just been using those lately. Because Beats is the stuff y'all too. Y'all just be thinking iPhone, Apple. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, the way brands be eating y'all ass up is crazy. So let's unbox these, because I'm ready to wear my stuff, and I didn't want to open them without y'all. If I did, make sure this is the right thing, because I was excited. But I went ahead and got the AirPod Pros MagSafe charging case. I went ahead and got the AirPod Pros. These are the newest one, because on my site, on the Army site, I get them a little cheaper. And I'm like, this is a steal. I might as well get these. I was like, do I want to pay that much? Do I want to pay that much? And I got me some goddamn insurance on these, because last time I thought insurance covered if your stuff got stole, but yeah, girl. You girl. AirPod Pros. I need to take a picture of everything. I didn't know my serial number. I didn't know nothing. Y'all, and don't talk about my hair. I know it's not retwisted. I'm embracing the nappiness. Because my locks were getting thin, so I don't want my locks to be super thin. So I'm trying to go 3 to 4 months without getting a retwist and just accept this, accept the natural beauty. But cause y'all, I see why I got locks. I'm not gonna even talk about that, but I'm doing it myself, because your girl know how to do hair. If you go look at my previous long time ago videos when I was scared of the camera, I know how to do hair. So if I could keep $250 in my pocket and only spend $60 on a lot of hair, that's what I'm going to do. And my hair, y'all, it looks beautiful. Your girl about to get some Wi-Fi so I can get on the computer and really start uploading for y'all. Okay, but I know y'all that's here for the review want me to get straight to the review. So these are the AirPods. Designed by Apple. In California, what? I'm surprised they didn't say China. Well, that's a first. Okay. I don't like big stuff in my ear. That's why I have the small one. But let me see. They come with this. Ooh. They come with 4 more earbuds that I'll never be using. But now that I think about it, I probably do need to change them out. Oh, they're different sizes. Oh yeah, I probably will change them out to the small ones. These ones are big. These ones are small. But I probably will change them out because, yeah, no. I don't like some big stuff in my ear. It come with that charger, that fast charger, y'all. That $20. I forgot my charger today, and I had to go to Quick Shop, and I was about to pay $30 just for a box. And I said, oh no, let me drive over to where my stuff is. Let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Let's see. What the heck? How do you get these things out? How do they expect you to get these out? What, you just pull them out? Or my hand is greasy? There they go. And this is the right side. Big ass thing. This crap is big. I know it has like sound mutes the whole world out. I wonder if they're louder. I'm about to see if they're louder, y'all. And I'll come back and talk to y'all. Okay, y'all, so I got the other phone, so this is off of another camera. And y'all. So this crap really is muting. This crap is really, so in order to cancel the sound, cancel off the sound, you do this. Hello? Oh my gosh! Say something to me. Say something to me. Hello. It's like your voice don't even sound. Oh snap! Let's see. Oh! What you know about that? What you know about that? What you know about that? I know all about that. Next song. This shit bustin', y'all. This shit bustin'. I guess the neighbors know it's selling dope. Oh my gosh, y'all, they're falling out my ear. That's not good. Why did they just fall in my ear? Now I got the mute on. I can't hear nothing. Yeah. This how Snoop Dogg had me feeling, y'all. I like this song. Ooh. This Snoop Dogg, y'all. Need to add this. Listen, this is my song. Y'all don't know this song. It go like this. Here you go. Okay, I turned the sound off. I wake up to the sound and the silence that allows. In my ground, searching to behold that you're the greatest. I'm going back. They hate it. Oh, so the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Hey! That crap go hard. Hello? Is someone knocking? I'm back on my phone. Can y'all hear me with these? I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I don't even know if I can record with these on, y'all. I'm searching to be told. I'm feeling this to be. Y'all, but that was the review. Y'all know what I'm talking about? The best review, the best lock maintenance. Look, let your locks get nappy. I don't care what people say, bro. People been talking about my hair looks crazy. Let your locks get nappy. I was sick of my locks looking this thin. Look. Well, it look thicker now that I let it get nappy. But I'm about to put, I can't go without I'm not trying to retwist for 3 to 4 months. But I can do something over it. So that's what I'm going to do. that's what I'm gonna do. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all can hear me because I don't know if y'all can hear me with these AirPods on. But I will see you next time. Peace.